Makar Sankranti is around the corner, and without Til Laddu, Sankranti just doesn't feel complete, right? Til good, stay sweet. So today, let's make traditional, healthy, homemade Til Laddu full of warmth, love, and winter goodness. Hello friends, welcome back to Spice and Slice, where food tells a story. Today we are making something very special, very traditional, and very healthy. Til Laddu, also known as Sesame Laddu. These laddus are perfect for Makar Sankranti, great for the winter season, and full of nutrition for the whole family. And the best part, we are making fresh mava at home. So no shortcut, only pure homemade taste. Let's begin this festive and delicious recipe. First, take 1 kilogram of milk and pour it into a wide kadai. Keep stirring the milk continuously on medium flame. Slowly, the milk will reduce, become thick, and turn slightly grainy. When it becomes thick and crumbly, your fresh homemade mava is ready. Homemade mava always gives better taste and richer texture than store-bought ones. Milk is rich in calcium and protein, which helps strengthen bones and muscles. Now take a pan and add 1 bowl of sesame seeds. Dry roast them on low flame until lightly golden and aromatic. Let them cool, then grind them in coarse mode, not too fine. This coarse texture gives a beautiful crunch to the laddus. Sesame seeds are rich in calcium, iron, and healthy fats, perfect for winter warmth and joint strength. Take a large mixing bowl. First add the fresh homemade mava. Now add the coarsely grind sesame seeds. Sprinkle in a few whole sesame seeds for extra crunch. Next, add 1.5 bowls of desiccated coconut. This adds softness, richness, and mild sweetness. Now add 1 bowl of jaggery powder, and finally add a 1 teaspoon elaichi powder. This gives a beautiful aroma and festive flavor to the laddus. Now mix everything really well using your hands. Feel the texture, check the sweetness, and mix with love, because homemade sweets taste best when made with care. Take small portions of the mixture and gently roll them into round laddus. Once the laddus are shaped, roll each laddu once again in desiccated coconut. This coating makes the laddu look beautiful, adds extra taste, and gives them a perfect festive finish. You can make them small or medium sized. Just press lightly so they stay soft inside. And just like that, your Makar Sankranti special Til Laddu are ready. Perfect winter sweet, boost immunity and strength, great for bones and joints, loved by kids and elders. Enjoy 1 laddu daily, stay warm, stay healthy, and stay sweet. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to Spice and Slice, where food tells a story. Tell me in the comments, who are you making these laddus for this Makar Sankranti? Thank you so much for watching. Happy Makar Sankranti to you and your family. See you in the next delicious story.